Converting a numeric number into a word can be very handy, especially when you're writing a check. There is an add-on on Google Sheet that you can use to do that conversion. Go to Extension, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. In here, you're going to be looking for a text called number text like this and hit Enter. And this is the one that you're going to install. Click on it, install, and continue. You're going to have to associate your Google account to this app here. Go ahead and associate it. Allow, click on done, and close this. Now you have access to a function called moneytext. So it's a equal moneytext, and the first argument would be the numeric value cell here, this one, A2, comma, followed by the country currency code. Let's say if you want US dollar, you go USD and close parenthesis. If you want Indian rupee, you can do the same thing and copy the formula here and convert, or rather change this USD into INR, Indian rupee, like that. Likewise, you can use the same formula. I'm going to copy the cell and do it same thing for Canadian, which is CAD. The country code or the currency for the country code can be found on this web page here. I'll leave the link on the description below, so check it out. So that is to convert numbers into your text format. So let's say, for example, if you want to convert this into a foreign language, let's say, for example, I'm going to use moneytext. I'm going to convert this number here into Chinese yuan, which is CNY, and then I can convert it into a different language. This is going to be Mandarin, and close parenthesis and hit enter. It will convert this numeric value into a Chinese code here. So the Chinese code can be found on the link here. I'll provide the link in the description as well with all the different language code that's available. So next thing I want to do is I want to show you, some of the checks require the word only at the back here. This is how you do it. I'm going to use, say, Great Britain pound, let's say money text. And I'm going to convert this into Great Britain pound, like I said, so GB pound. And then all you have to do is you have to concatenate the word space only like this. Make sure you put a space here so that it looks nicer. Let me show you what I mean by that. So it will show you all this, and the word only is displayed here at the last end here. And also sometimes we don't need this like US, Canadian, or Indian, the word in this here. The way to do it would be to use the word substitute equals substitute. Is a standard substitute. We don't need the add-on for this one here. And then of course you're gonna use the word or function called moneytext, and you're gonna convert this into, let's say, Canadian dollar, right? And close parenthesis, comma, and substitute takes the second argument as what you want to look for. So I'm gonna look for the word Canadian. Don't forget to put a space here because you're gonna have to get rid of everything, leaving this space alone. And then I'm gonna replace that particular text with blank and close parenthesis and hit enter. You can see it's written as a number without the nationality in it.